Native outfit.
Hey there fashion enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel guys. In today's tutorial, I will be taking you through all the processes on how I made a casual native outfit with a distinctive and unique view. So please, I will love it if you like, share and subscribe. And above all, do make sure you watch this video till the end. And let us know what you think about this outfit. Happy learning. After gluing the flap on the material which was cut from a collar gum, what I did was to bend the both sides of the material to fit it on the collar gum. Then I went ahead in creating the mini flap which will be placed on top of the bigger flap. So, I make sure the mini flap was at 0.75 inches while the bigger flap was at 1.2 inches. And with care and caution I blend the material to get the accurate shape intended. And after folding it at 0.75 inches I trimmed out the excess side of the material. Then I used the hemming gum to hold firm the mini flap appropriately. Before I placed it on the bigger flap, I trimmed the hemming gum, the exact size of the mini flap before ironing it. Here I bend the material at the top of the flap and hemmed it. Then I fold mini flap at the top side of the big flap and hemmed it as well. Now the flap is almost ready, but first off I trimmed at 0.5 inches the excess side of the flap. Then I created an inner flap as well at 0.9 inches and I ironed it. And I trimmed the excess side as well, in order to get an accurate flap. I went ahead to sew the mini flap which I have hemmed on the bigger flap. I sewed this with a tiny stitch to bring out the unique view from it. Do make sure you follow this process accordingly guys. Then here I fold the button part of the flap, and I hemmed it as well. And now the flap design is ready. Here I had already gummed the pocket gum, and I placed a dark brown material beneath the pocket design shape. Then I fixed the hemming gum all through beneath the square shape. After I had done that accurately, I ironed it barely to hold firm the design. So I turned it in order to trim out the excess part of the brown material. So after trimming it, in order to make it solid, I placed an instay gum and trimmed it as well. After trimming it all through the square shape, then I went ahead to iron it. Then I fold the top part of the pocket and I hemmed it with the iron. Now for you to be able to place back the square shape design created, all you need to do is to arrange the hemming gum in a square shape as well. Then you can place the square shape back on the hemming gum and then iron it. Well, it came out perfectly. Then bend the material on top the pocket gum and place the hemming gum as well before ironing it to hold firm. And same is applied in the wool sides of the pocket in order to bring out its full looks. After the pocket shape is formed, I cut out the interface of same material and place the pocket on it. And I placed the hemming gum beneath it to hold firm. And I gummed it all through the whole side of the pocket. So here I had to fold the interface beneath so it won't show at the bottom part of the pocket, because that was the initial intent for the design. Then in every side of the pocket I take out 0.4 inches from the interface and iron it. And after ironing it, I make sure I hemmed it as well. And now this tutorial is just about to get even more interesting. So make sure you watch till the end to see the outcome. So here I placed the flap at the middle line of the shirt, and I sewed it at 0.4 inches all through. And I turned it around to sew the inner flap at 0.4 inches as well. Here I trimmed the middle line till the end where I notched it in a V shape. To interface this I had to sew the top part of it. Then I turned it and sew it to the end. After sewing it at the end point I took out the notch point and sew it together with this inner flap. Here I have already gummed my pocket and flap. So what I did was to sew all through with a tiny stitch cause it will bring out the beauty. If you got to this part of the video, great job cause you are among 10% who finish what they started. So do make sure you drop a 100 in the comments section. if you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. We have come to the end of this video. So what do you think about this outfit, guys? Isn't it amazing? This is what I call casual and classy. Make sure you try making this kind of design, guys. Please ensure you like, share and subscribe. Love you all.